Hello everybody, this is how you drive a hoverboard. First, you need to turn the hoverboard on. So step 1, there's a button right here. Turn on the button, the hoverboard is on. After you turned on the hoverboard, one foot by the other, step onto the hoverboard. Grab onto something because this is a 2-wheel. You might fall. Then, after you mastered, then it is the time to go forward and backward. To go forward, lean forward, but not too much or you'll fall. Like this. Now it is the time to go left and right. To go left, put more pressure on the left. Don't put too much pressure, we'll be ending up in circles like what I just did. And for the right, it's the same thing. Put more pressure on the right foot. And that is how you drive a hoverboard.